Okay, so just gonna go ahead and demo how to do a Cossack squat. So a Cossack squat is just a fancy name for a lateral lunge. A lateral lunge is just a fancy name for a side lunge. So what does that mean? You're stepping off to the side. So if we make believe this was a nice straight line, then the tip of the toe is gonna be on that line, and this tip of the toe is gonna be on the line, and they're gonna face the wall in front of you or however so. And we're gonna step off to the side. So once you step off to the side, you're gonna choose one side. Either you're gonna go left or right, and then you'll claim that side. And we might see something like 3 sets of 12 repetitions. So we're gonna choose one side, or you can do this alternating. So right through there, you're just gonna sit back and bend one knee. The other leg is straight. This is perfectly fine if it's loaded right through here. Now, if we want to attack some range of motion, like going deeper in the squat or releasing those hips with this type of movement, then yeah, we're going to take a little longer stride and then sit lower into it until we break parallel. So it'll look like this. Now, right through there, you're going to see that my hand started going forward as a counterbalance. And then I'm trying to sit really back into that hip. If you're feeling hip pain or anything like that, your hips are probably tight. So this is probably in your program for a reason, to loosen your hips up, but it's also single leg work. So the leg that you're stepping into is the one that we're working. So really get deep in there and then sit. Now, that's the Cossack squat also. So bringing that foot up off the ground and bringing that toe up through there is gonna help you start to get lower. If you feel any pain or anything like that, it might be a scale of 1 to 10 on the pain radar. If you're feeling like a 9, 8, pull back a little bit, go without weight if you need to, and maybe less of a step or less depth. But once your pain level is about 6, 7, and you're at that RPE level 6, 7, then you can start to load that up. You can feel a little bit more confident and get a little bit more depth, and then go on the other side. Alternating would look like this. Single side would be right there. Recover, and then bring it back down. But you can also do just stationary too.